The skin is red and angry, and the clock is ticking on that new piece of art. You just spent a significant amount of money on a custom design. Now you have to make sure it actually stays in your skin. Most people fail right at this stage. They use the wrong products and end up with a blurry or faded mess. You need a dedicated system to protect that investment. The Tattoo Goo Kit offers a complete 3-step process to get you through the rough patches of healing. It starts with the antibacterial soap. This is not the stuff you use on your hands after gardening. It is infused with olive oil. It kills the germs, but it refuses to dry you out. You need to wash that new ink twice a day. This soap keeps the surface clean without making it feel tight or cracked. Then you move to the healing balm. This little tin is packed with beeswax and cocoa butter. It feels substantial and soothing. It creates a protective layer that keeps the area moist. This is vital during those first few critical days when the wound is fresh. The real secret here is what the balm does not have. There is no petroleum and no mineral oil. Those ingredients are famous for clogging pores. They can even draw the ink right out of your skin if you are not careful. This balm lets the skin breathe while it recovers. After a few days, the dreaded itch begins. Your tattoo starts to scab and flake. It feels like 1,000 tiny needles are prickling your skin. This is the danger zone where many people start scratching and ruin their work. That is where the lotion comes in. It contains panthenol. This is the hero ingredient for the scabbing phase. It stops the itching and calms the irritation almost immediately. The lotion is light and absorbs in seconds. You will not have to worry about staining your favorite shirt or feeling sticky. It provides deep hydration exactly when the scabs start to feel brittle and uncomfortable. Now, we have to be honest about the flaws. That metal tin is a nightmare to open. You will probably find yourself using a tool or a coin just to get to the balm. It is a design flaw that has frustrated users for years. Also, size matters here. These bottles are fairly small. If you just got a massive back piece, this kit will be gone in 48 hours. It is designed for average-sized tattoos. You should also be careful with the shipping process. Sometimes the soap bottle can leak during transit and arrive half empty. But for 15 to 20 bucks, the value is hard to ignore. Most tattoo shops will charge you that much for a single bottle of aftercare. Here, you get the whole routine in one go. You can find it at almost any major pharmacy or online. It is a small price to pay for long-term clarity and color. If you want your ink to look as good in 5 years as it does today, you have to treat it right from the very start. This kit takes the guesswork out of the equation. It is simple and effective. It keeps the blacks dark and the colors bright. Just be prepared for a fight with the tin, and you will be fine. Your skin is a canvas, and this is how you preserve the masterpiece. It is about keeping the integrity of the lines and the punch of the pigments. Don't settle for cheap shortcuts when your skin is on the line. This kit does exactly what it promises without the harmful additives found in generic lotions. Give your new ink the environment it needs to thrive.